We are raiding the parents' liquor cabinet tonight, doing some Anisette. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And when you see a nice, unique glass, you see some liquor you've never seen before, and you see the backdrop of Port Orange, Florida, you know it's time for raiding the parents' liquor cabinet. Unfortunately, I don't have my lovely camera woman here to do some banter, but we're going to carry on the tradition we started last year, and in this case, we are going to taste some Lady Velvet Anisette. Right? Have you ever heard of Lady Velvet Anisette? Have you ever heard of Lady Velvet anything? No, probably not. So it was funny when I was showing my parents the videos we had shot a while ago or a year ago when we were here. My mom was like, "Yeah, I don't know if that's our liquor cabinet you're raiding." She's like, "It might be Poppy's." Right? So Poppy is my reference to my grandfather on my father's side. So I'm guessing that these bottles that we are tasting are at least 30 years old. So in this case, we're gonna do a little Anisette. Anisette, quintessential Italian liqueur. Scene from Goodfellas, a classic scene where he has a date with a Jewish girl and makes a joke about Anisette and how maybe something else would be more appropriate on his table, with her. Anisette is an anise flavored liqueur, and it's just sort of one of those, like I said, quintessential Italian things. Now, I've had homemade Anisette at the restaurant Il Gigli, I believe his name, or Il Giglio, it's downtown New York. I hope they're still around, but they bring out this, the giant bottle at the end of the meal, and it's just fantastic. In this case, I'm guessing I'm going to be less impressed, but you never know. Let us see what Lady Velvet Anisette tastes like and how it ranks in the world of Anisette. I mean, come on, look at that glass. Nice light blue, beautiful, perfect glass for Anisette. All right, it has all the hallmarks of Anisette, a little anise flavor, a little cherry note. I should have brought my spit cup. This is pretty bad Anisette, I gotta be honest. Hopefully I'm not insulting any of the people at Lady Velvet, but who the hell, I don't even think I don't know if they exist anymore. It could just be that it's 30 years old and maybe it was good 29 years ago, but I'm guessing probably not. Very syrupy, very sugary. Interesting. So there is a recipe for a snowball cocktail on the back of this one. Some gin, some Anisette, and some cream. If I get some cream, so I am going to buy some cream, and we're gonna make a snowball cocktail right on the deck here to see if if maybe it's a better use of the Anisette. But yeah, this is definitely not the best Anisette I've ever had. Okay, well, we are gonna raid my parents' liquor cabinet once again. Stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it gave you a little laugh or two. And I will see you next time. Cheers. I say it's pretty bad Anisette, but yet I keep drinking it. I've got issues. Hey guys, it's Chris. I want to thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every view and every comment and like that I get. I'd encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos, and put that little bell on so you get notified whenever I release a new drinks video. Thanks again.